Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that you can use to help you decide what colors and the feeling that you want to put across, especially when you're just starting out your brand. You can use this for events, for your product brand, for your service brand. And guys, the tool that I'm going to show you is completely free, and I'm gonna show you all the different features. Guys, when creating a brand for anything, it's important to have consistency, especially consistencies in the colors that you use. Because when people see your brand and they see those colors, it will start to imprint in their mind. So when they see those colors again, they're so associating those colors with your brand. So in today's video, it's a bit of like branding type of tips. So I'm gonna show you the tool. So guys, let's not waste no time. Let's get into the video. So guys, in order to gain access to this color wheel, right, all you got to do is type Adobe Color Wheel into Google. So that's what we're going to do now. And then right here, you want to select this option right here. Now, we're going to be shown a whole bunch of different options. This is super critical, especially if you're starting a new brand or you're doing an event, or you want to do a branded event and you want to make sure that all the colors correspond. Because when it comes to branding, people associate brands with certain colors and certain feelings that they get. So you want to make sure that the colors that you use are consistent and correspondent with what the brand represents. And this free tool enables us to do that. So guys, once you click on that, you're going to be shown this color wheel, right? And you can literally move it around like this and kind of see which colors are complementary. You can do monochromatic, you can do triad, you can do complementary colors, you can do split complementary, different shades. And this is just great, especially if you can get with your design team, or if you're a solo entrepreneur, you can go in and just have a play around with it and see what colors suit your brand and pretty much go for it. And the good thing, guys, is that you have these codes here, and also you can adjust the brightness as well and how you see fit. And you notice that if you change one of them, you can see the other ones changing as well, right? So make sure that there's that added consistency, especially when you're choosing the colors and the textures for your brand. Another thing as well that's really cool about this site is the explore, right? So if you wanted to get some inspiration and you're not sure, you're like, oh man, I want to start a gym brand, but I'm not sure, what type of feeling to go for. You can pretty much just go through here. You can pretty much go through here, and you can choose by stock photos, creative projects, color themes, and obviously you've got the all sources, and you can just have a look through here and just kind of get a feel of what you want your brand to represent. Right. Another cool thing about this is that right up here, you can type in the mood or the feeling. So for example, if I type in happy, here we go. So here, if your brand is a happy brand, these are the colors that are associated with that. If your brand is a dark or mysterious, then you can type that into here and you'll be given color combinations that you could also use for your brand to give you that extra guidance. Because as people, when we look at colors, when we look at certain branding, we make certain connections in our mind. For example, if we see the color green, it doesn't matter what currency or country that you live in or what currency that you use. If we see the color green, on a note, we associate it with money. But I live in London and none of our currency has the cut is green. None of it. But it's been etched to our minds that, oh, when we see green on a banknote, like green banknotes, we associate that with money. Same as if we see a gold color, we associate that with luxury and all that good stuff, right? So guys, this is a cool, great tool to use, especially if you're starting to put together the early ideas of your brand. Also, guys, another great thing is that if you click on trends, and here you'll see, look, you can literally do the same thing here. You can search up here, same thing. And right here, you can get a feel of, okay, this is what this brand or this is the feeling that I'm trying to capture. Okay, these are the colors that I should go for. Yeah. So guys, please use this tool. It's completely free, especially if you're just starting out your brand. You're starting to think of, okay, what colors am I going to use for my brand? What are the colors that I'm going to use for my website? What are the colors that I'm going to put on my packaging? Because you want to make sure that everything has to be consistent. Everything has to be consistent. Nothing should be inconsistent when it comes to color, the texture, and the feeling that your brand puts out there. Yeah. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. See you later.